Okay guys, let's talk about the Dell Latitude 7490 disassembly. It's super easy to open it up, so you can replace the memory, you can upgrade the modules and things like that, right? So just disconnect the cable from your computer and then you can turn to other side here and remove the screws that you have here, right? So just remember that you have two here in the center and three in each side, okay? You need to lose all of them. So lose them up, otherwise you can't open the cover here. So super simple, and also they don't fall out. They stay in place here, so it's not easy to lose them, okay, because you just lose them up, but they stay in place. There we go. And then here you need to just remove the cover like this. Super simple. And here you can see the modules for the RAM memory, two of them. In this case I have 8 gigabytes plus 8 gigabytes, but you can have 16 and 16 with total of 32. And here you see the LTE 1 card that you can insert here if you have one, if you need to put one here. The module here for the Wi-Fi. Let me just zoom in here so you see better, right? There we go. So the module for the Wi-Fi. And here the battery. If you want to remove the battery and replace it, you just need to come here and pull this. You just pull this out and it's going to remove the pin here from the battery, so you can remove the battery. Of course you need to lose the screws here as well. Have screws here and here, okay? So you can lose the battery and remove the battery and change it, right? You see here, let me just approach from this camera the model that I have here. If you want to buy a new battery, just look for this, the type F3YGT 7.6 volts from Dell. This one is 60 watts, okay? And you have here also this module that's for the SSD. In this case, let me just approach here. You see that I have 512 gigabytes, right? So you can insert the module here as well. See, there is a screw here that you just need to remove, and you can remove the module here and put another one there, or clean the module, clean here the contact. Sometimes if it's not working or something like this, right? So super simple. That's the way you can disassemble a Dell Latitude 7420, and then later you can just put the cover back here. Super simple. See the screws here, they stay in place. And I just put it here that way. Okay, let me just make sure that I have the correct position here. Here I need to have the back part here, okay? And then I put back like this and close it down. There we go. Then I just tie the screws up. So I can just close it down and I'm good to go. There we go. And I'm ready to use my computer again, okay? So that's the way you can disassemble a Dell Latitude 7490. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.